Hey, parents and teachers, I hope you are healthy and safe and have peace of mind today as we are going through this very challenging time. I've created this page that you are on right now for you, parents and teachers, for adults, not for kids. The reason is because I might be having some more heavy, deeper topics on the parent and teacher pages. And depending on the age of your child, you may or may not want them to see those. But I also created a student page just to help students. So you can feel safe that if you go to that page, you'll see the topics, you can watch the videos, and you'll know exactly what videos that you want to share with your child. I made this page for parents, teachers, and students as a hub to help you help your child, or if you're a teacher or a professional or somebody else who works with kids, how to help these kids navigate this time. This is a very challenging time. We've already got a bunch of interesting issues popping up. Like with kids wanting to be social and see their friends and not really understanding the severity and the importance of the social distancing and how exactly the transmission of viruses works, or this virus works, and stuff like that. Also seeing problems with people, with schedules, because the schedule's thrown off, and is everything going to turn into a free-for-all? And if it does, how do you reel it back, et cetera, et cetera. So I am going to address tons of topics over the next however long I need to, as we go through this very challenging time. So please use this hub. If you are a parent, click on the parent hub and the student hub. If you're a teacher, click on the teacher hub and the student hub. Anybody can click on any of them. In fact, it's great for teachers to see what I'm telling parents and for parents to see what I'm telling teachers. So go ahead anywhere you want. That will help you. And each video I have put a title on so that you can figure out what it's about and if it's something that might be useful to you in this time. And I'm addressing the biggest problems that I'm seeing in my blog and my emails and all of that stuff. I hope that you are healthy, safe, and again, have peace of mind, and that your family as well. And if you want to support me through this time, I put all the ways that you can support me to say thank you below. And feel free or not, there's no strings attached. You can use these resources. I'm making them for everybody. But if you do want to support me, I really appreciate it. Particularly, please at least share this stuff with as many people as possible so that they can find solutions to what they are going through. Be well. See you.